Brutal murder. Broad daylight in the middle of the grove. Thought I'd seen it all. Paramedics sure left a mess.
Certainly did, so we have a frozen crime scene. What about preliminary?
Multiple stab wounds. Paramedics said they worked on him for 20 minutes. Anyone see anything?
We have 4 eyewitnesses and 4 different stories.
Typical.
We also have the weapon. A Ballast Song butterfly knife. What about a wound pattern?
Yeah. Cluster stabs around the chest. That doesn't make sense. Most knife murders are sloppy.
Doesn't make sense if you're dealing with an amateur. But we are looking for a pro.
Вечерва. Една од најгледаните ТВ серии во Америка и светот. Синоним за криминалистичка серија. Нова епизода истрага на местото на злосторството, Мајами. 22 часот и 15 минути.